Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Plug the Android TV into power and choose Wi-Fi from the TV setup screen. On your iPhone, enable Bluetooth and location, then install Google Home and the Google TV app so you can discover the device. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. This avoids discovery issues. Once done, open Google Home and allow permissions. This lets your iPhone find the TV for initial pairing. Now you're ready to add the new device in Google Home. Continue in Google Home, tap the plus, choose Setup Device and follow prompts to detect the TV. When a code shows on the TV, confirm it on your iPhone to secure pairing. This prevents accidental connections. Next, sign into your Google account when asked. This syncs apps, purchases, and recommendations. Make sure to allow any system updates. Firmware installs can take several minutes. Once updates finish, use the Google TV app to personalize home screen apps and permissions for casting and notifications. To finish, test by opening a streaming app on your iPhone and tapping the cast icon to pick the Android TV. You should see playback start on the big screen. Use the Google TV app or the built-in remote control in Control Center for navigation and text input. It's faster than the physical remote. If you need screen mirroring and your TV supports AirPlay, enable it in the TV settings and connect from Control Center on the iPhone. If things go wrong, try the quick troubleshooting step below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.